Now we're installing the center channel focal inside into a C63-205. This is an A205. It's convertible. It should be very similar to the coupe. To get in here, you're just going to use a trim tool and go around. In that same trim tool, we are going to go here and here and apply upward. Okay, so now we can have a little bit of a side-by-side. And this one feels maybe a third of the weight. And it is a paper cone. Now, I was surprised by that because this is an automotive application, so it must have some sort of cover, you know, like some sort of a sealant. It does not have a paper roll, though. Like, really nice paper cones will have a paper roll, too. In my experience, because there can be nice paper cones. All right, and then here's this guy. It's much heavier. Okay, so while I was in here, I applied some Dynamat or Dynamat copy stuff. I used Rockmat or Rockville Auto. I don't know, whatever. I'll link to it below. I find it's really, really close to Dynamat. I put some around this speaker basket because basically this speaker is completely enclosed. So I think that can help the audio performance. And then this is the kind of like cone thing that Focal gives you. So now I'm just going to push this back on and we'll test it out.